Hey, this was the unboxing of the Buckshot knives. I got this on I think Geek, and it's a three set knife. It's pretty cool. It's like chopping. You can chop with it, I guess. So you need multiple things. Comes with 3 knives, 3 different sizes. One of them comes with this. The biggest one comes with the holder because it doesn't come with the belt clip. The other 2 do. The other 2 are foldable. As you can see, if I'm strong enough to do this. I'm not. I can't open it to one hand. It's awesome. Let's see if I can open it. Let's see. I'm gonna hold it there for a sec. Okay. Oh, didn't happen. Let's try that again. My leg is in the way. Okay. It's we have a small, medium, and large. The large one does not fold up. It's a straight up chopper. Sits in the sheath of the holder. So pretty good stuff. I like the quality. People are talking about the quality is very good. This is, pretty nice, nice knife. Already sharpened, ready to go. Good for cutting things. Yep. Look it up.